Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about HRSPM's Sarsenapati Hambirrao Mohite Law College. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Pune, and this college is also affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Talking about the number of seats available in this college. So for 3 years LLB program, this college में total 60 seats available है, and also for 5 years integrated LLB program, this college offer 60 seats. Talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination, then in terms of 3 years LLB program, if you are targeting this law college, you need to score more than 80 marks out of total 150 marks. And in terms of 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to score more than 77 marks out of total 150 marks to get admission in this college. And in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store. Also the application link is available in the description box. So you can download it and you can give this mock test, and accordingly you can come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. So basically there are 2 examinations. If you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And if you are preparing for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET exam. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. उसके बाद you need to register yourself for the exam. Then you get the hall ticket. Hall ticket में जो examination center लिखा हुआ होता है, आपको वो examination center पे जाके entrance exam देना होता है. After that you get your results, and on the basis of that एक online centralized admission process होता है जिसको हम cap round भी बोलते हैं, where you are supposed to select the college preferences. And on the basis of that आपको एक college allocate होता है, आपको वो college में जाके document submission करना होता है, and then finally you get admission in that particular law college. So this was the admission process. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can post your question in the comment section. Also you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to our website which is www.beducare.com. And अगर आपने आपका preparation start नहीं किया है, then you can start your preparation for CET Law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET Law exam. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lectures program, and we provide books as well as mock test. So our application is available on Play Store. Also it is available on Apple Store. You can download the application and access the mock test. You can also access to the other courses provided there in the application. In case if you wish to know more about this college, and if you wish to know more about Maharashtra CET Law exam, then you can contact us. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.